So you have clicked on this video because you want to start modding GTA 5, but you don't know how to. That's okay. In today's video, I will show you guys exactly how to start modding your game, going from a basic add-on car mod to a script and then to a visual graphics mod. These three mods are all very easy to install, and they are different types of mods which will give you an idea of how to start modding the game without any help into the future. So hopefully this will be the only video you'll ever need. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, in order to start modding GTA 5, you will need four things, which are all here, and they will also be in the links in the description. The first four links will be these files, and obviously they'll have tags just so you know what you're downloading. First of all is OpenIV, which is a runtime environment that allows you to install mods onto your game. Second is Community Script Hook. This is a DLL that allows you to install scripts and other mods. Also Script Hook 5, AB software, which also has a native trainer and an ASI loader, and you'll need simple trainer in order to access your mods and stuff like this. So after you have downloaded these files, you'll have obviously the three downloads plus OpenIV, which you should install. In order to install that, it will literally just click on the exe file and run it, and it will ask you to select your GTA 5 main folder. So you just need to click the folder where GTA 5 is installed. For me, it's obviously in my D drive and in my Epic Games, but some of you might have it through Steam, some of you might have it through Rockstar Games. So you just need to find your um, folder where your GTA 5 is, and then just click select. And here for the DLLs, all you need to do is just click on every single one individually, and you will find the files. Literally all you need to do is open up your GTA 5 main folder beside these, and then obviously drag them and drop them into your GTA 5 mains folder. You need to do the same for all of these three. You'll see here you go into bin and you'll find this. You also have readme files for most of these. It will tell you that if you need any like prerequisites for any of them, which you do need for scripthook5.net. If you go here into your readme, you'll be able to check that you need scripthook 5 by Alexander Blade, which is the other script hook. You'll need net framework 4.0 or later, and you need Visual C++ redistributable for Microsoft Studio 2019, obviously x64. Once you've installed all of these, you literally just, as I said, for every single one of these individually, you drag and drop them into your GTA 5 folder, but because I already have them, I won't do that. And for your script 5, all of these, except your license and your readme, you don't actually need to drag these in, but you can if you want to. It doesn't harm your game. That's it for installing the prerequisites. Let's get on to OpenIV. When you install OpenIV, when you open it, you will be greeted with this interface. You need to click Windows, and this will obviously start GTA 5 for Windows. It will allow you to move files across and stuff like this. You need to go into edit mode and make sure you enable it. And you need to go into your ASI manager up here, and then make sure you install all three of these. That is literally it. All you need to do now is go into Google Chrome, go into GTA 5 mods, and find a car mod that you would like to install. Okay, so once you've found a mod that you like, make sure it has add-on onto it. This will make sure that you install a car mod that is added on and it's not replacing any of the current vehicles in GTA 5, because we don't want that. Sometimes it will mess with the files, and usually add-on vehicles are a lot better than the replace ones, because the replace ones will simply just be replacing an existing vehicle, and they might have bugs sometimes and stuff like this. So always the add-on cards is what I found works best. All you need to do is click download, and a download will start downloading. Well, a file will start downloading. You go to your downloads folder, and you'll see it will show up. So all you need to do is just make sure you extract it somewhere. This will show up, and you'll have two files here. You have a readme file most of the time. Sometimes you don't have this, but I will explain what you need to do if you do not have a readme file. And you'll have the file with a DLC or RPF inside it. So you just drag this to one side, and you have OpenIV open on the other side. To install a car mod, it is as simple as this. First of all, you need to make a mods folder. What this does is ensures that if anything ever goes wrong with your game, it starts to crash, or one of the mods doesn't work, you've installed too many mods at once and you don't know which one's causing you problems and you can't get rid of them, you simply delete your mods folder and everything will go away. GTA 5 will return to its native state. So what you do is you go into your GTA 5 main folder, and you literally create a folder called mods. You see I have one here. Then what you do is you go into your back into your GTA folder, you go to update. Well, sorry, you copy the updates folder, and then you go to your mods folder and you paste it in there. What that does is it copies all of the DLC packs and everything else into your GTA 5 folder, which means that you can then start to go and modify everything, and it will make everything 100 times easier. It will take a while. The folder is about 50 gigabytes big, so depending on your computer, it might take a while, but it's not so bad because it's going from drive to drive. You're not downloading anything over the internet, so it won't take as long as you might think. After you have this, you go to your car mod that we have extracted, and you open this to one side. You go into your mods folder, update x64 and DLC packs, and this is where you will drag this folder. So obviously if you have a readme file, everything will make sense, but if you don't, I can try my best to explain it for you. So you have this file which has a dlc.rpf file inside it. All you do is you drag it into your DLC packs, and here you'll see it will be here. You go back a few times and you go to update.rpf, common, data, and DLC list.xml. What we need to do now basically is we have installed the mod, but we need to make sure that the game knows that there's an extra DLC added onto the game, because an add-on file is basically a DLC. That's how the game treats it. So we need to go into the update file and common data, DLC list.xml, make sure edit mode is open obviously, because then, as I said, you won't be able to drag your folder into it. That's the first way you'll know, but you also won't be able to edit files. You click on edit for, you right click and click edit for DLC list.xml, and this window will pop up. This basically shows you all of the DLCs that are installed, and you need to go ahead and add a new line for the game to be able to know that you've installed the car DLC that you have just downloaded. So obviously if you have a readme file, this will be very easy because it will tell you exactly what you need to paste in. But if you do not have a readme file, basically you just copy the template for these things here, and you'll have to just change the name of this thing here to the name of the folder that you have put into your DLCs. So here, you go here, and obviously if you do not have this, as I said, the best way to do this is go back into your DLC packs and check the name of the folder, click on rename, copy it, and then go back to here, data, DLC list, edit, and then put that name in there instead, and it will be as easy as that. Sometimes these readme files will also tell you what you need to spawn it in game. So this is basically what you need: start the game, spawn name. Once you're in game, so in order to start a game, first of all, to make sure that this works, you click this button here, which will obviously start GTA 5. Okay, so once we're in the game, to make sure that our mod has worked, first of all, we can open up Simple Trainer using F3. This is the trainer that we have installed earlier when we dragged and dropped those three folders, well, those three files from those three folders into our GTA 5 main directory. We go to vehicle spawning here, and we spawn vehicle by model name. You'll need to remember the name of the folder, which is also can be found in the readme file. It will tell you the name that you need to type in to spawn the car. Mine was BUG300SS. Don't mind that, that's a different mod that shows up for me. But yeah, so here I can see that the car has spawned and everything does work. But yes, the car has worked for me. Now, obviously, you can probably see that my game does look a lot different than yours might do. That is because I have some visual mods installed and some jobs mods and some stuff like that. But yes, next up, this is the visual mod. So my visual mod of choice is Visual V. Actually, I use three types of visual mods, which I have in my GTA 5 mods folder. Pretty sure I have Visual V, or Visual IV, I should say, GTA 5 Remastered, and Roads of Europe. Visual V and GTA 5 Remastered are both OIV files, which once you've downloaded this and you extract it to a folder, you literally go into OpenIV and you go to your GTA 5 main folder and you click on Open Package Installer. Here, all you need to do is locate the mod. Obviously, mine is here, Visual IV, installation via mod package, and click this. This will open up the package installer, and this is probably the easiest mod you'll ever have to install. You literally just click install, and that is it. If you want to remove the mod for some reason, you don't like how it looks, you go back to it. Obviously, there's another file called original files. You go here, you click this, you click open, and then it will basically just revert back to your main GTA 5 graphics. This is all there is for the visual mod. Next up, for the scripts, you can go to your GTA 5 mods website and go to scripts and find a script you like. For me, it's going to be the speedometer mod. I've just downloaded it here. As we can see, if I go into my downloads folder, you'll find it. Some scripts will have a lot of prerequisites. So what you need to do is after you've downloaded it, click extract files, and it will obviously create a new folder. This is your your ASI, and this is everything here. Here's your README text. Here, it tells you how to install it. It tells you to install the latest script 5, which we have. For this script, it says that you need to just extract it to your main GTA folder. But for a lot of scripts, what you'll find is when you go to your GTA 5 folder, you need to create a new folder called scripts. So here you go here and you create scripts. If that is the case, you create a folder called scripts, and you'll have to paste them in here. But for this one, it is as easy as doing this. So it tells you to extract the RAR into your main GTA folder. So what we do is we go to our downloads, we find where this was, and we take these and we go to our GTA 5 folder and we paste them in. As you can see, these are now in. Now we can try to load up GTA 5 to see if everything has worked. I like to run this through OpenIV. Click this button here and open GTA 5. Once we're in the game, we can see that our speedometer works once we load into a car. This is the script that I have installed, but for you it might be a different script. The script should have a README file which will tell you exactly how to use it. For me it was F10, and here you can see that it enables the mod. It's as easy as that. We have our units, you can change everything here, but yeah, that is pretty much it for the script. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a few different types of mods that you can install. There is obviously some other ones that are not covered in this video, but you can see that for most of these, it is as easy as following the instructions that you're given in the README file. If you're required to download any prerequisites, then it will tell you. Most of the time, they will give you links. If not, then do a quick Google search and you'll find everything. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. I can try my best to answer as many as I can for you guys. As I am pretty good at modding the game. I've been doing it for a while. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please enjoy. If anything goes wrong, delete your mods folder and your game will revert back to how it was. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.